I'm Angie.
I'm Savannah.
And I'm Vivian.
And we will be making a baking soda volcano.
Alright, so the materials you're going to need some white distilled vinegar, more preferably in a beaker if you can, a measuring spoon, any spoon, baking soda, and dish soap, and optional some food coloring so it can look colorful. You will also need some newspaper so that your workstation won't get any messier than it will get. And modeling clay. Just to recap, you're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of baking soda, modeling clay, newspaper, food dye, 1 tablespoon of dish soap, 1½ cups of vinegar, and safety goggles. Alright, so right here we have for you guys 2 pre-made volcanoes. And make sure they're pretty deep. Okay, now let's get started.
We're going to take the baking soda, 2 teaspoons, and place them inside the volcano.
Okay, next we'll be adding about half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of dish soap into each one of the volcanoes. The dish soap, when the reaction takes place, helps trap the bubbles, making the lava more lava-like.
Make sure you wash the spoon before you use it to place the dish soap into the volcano, or else it will not mix well.
Opportunity to add food coloring. In the green one, we'll be adding pink. Angie will be adding pink. And in the the purple volcano, we'll be adding yellowish, limeish, whatever color that is.
And finally, the most fun part, we'll be adding the vinegar.
Yep, we'll be adding just a bit to each one and watch the reaction take place.
Ooh.
Check that out.
Look at it go.
The reaction between baking soda and vinegar is actually 2 reactions, an acid-base reaction followed by a decomposition reaction. When the 2 ingredients are mixed, hydrogen ions, H+, from the vinegar react with the bicarbonate ions, HCO3- from the baking soda to form a new chemical called carbonic acid, or H2CO3. The carbonic acid thus formed then immediately decomposes into carbon dioxide gas, CO2, and water, H2O. It's this carbon dioxide gas that you see bubbling and foaming as soon as you mix baking soda and vinegar together. Ta-da-da! That's how you make a baking soda volcano. Bye! Say bye, everybody! Bye!
Look at it go. And our little people.
They're even made people.